Music is the universal language of mankind. Where words fail, music speaks. Now, our little ones will take us on a delightful journey through the seasons with their rendition of an English song, wherein each verse unfolds like a chapter, expressing the vibrancy of spring blooms, the warmth of summer rays, the melancholy of autumn leaves, and the serene hush of winter snow.
3, 2, 1, start.
The secret of joy in work is contained in one word: excellence. To know how to do something well is to enjoy it. The annual report is the reflection of the achievements of the school in all spheres: academic, sports, and cultural activities.
To present the school's annual report and welcome our esteemed guests, I invite the school principal, Ma'am Preeti Sangwan, escorted by Vice Principal, Ma'am Smita Bhatnagar.
Of the occasion, Dr. Krishan Kant Pathak, Secretary Finance, Government of Rajasthan, Honorable Member of the Advisory Committee, Shri Rajendra Bhanawat, Respected Honorary Director, Shri Asi Jain, esteemed members of management, Srimati Asha Golcha, Srimati Priyadarshini Kachawa, Principal of Vidyashram Pratap Nagar, Srimati Ajayashree Sharma, distinguished guests, parents, member of staff, and my dear children. A very good evening to all of you. On behalf of the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan fraternity, I feel truly honored to welcome you on the occasion of 39th annual function of our school. It's my privilege to introduce the chief guest of the occasion, Dr. Krishan Kant Pathak, IAS, a distinguished figure whose dedicated service to the nation sets an exemplary standard of excellence. Sir is an eminent figure in the realm of administrative service, has along various significant roles within the government framework. His illustrious journey includes pivotal positions such as Secretary to Government in the Rural Development, Women and Child Development Departments, Commissioner of Industry. He also served as Collector and District Magistrate in Churu and Bhilwara, among the other esteemed roles. Dr. Pathak's expertise in finance, administrative acumen, and dedication to foster development initiatives have left an indelible mark on the areas he has served. His tenure as Director in the Secondary Education Department across Bikaner, Jaisalmer, and Karoli reflects his deep-rooted passion for education advancement and nurturing young minds. Beyond his professional accomplishments, Dr. Pathak's commitment to societal progress and reforms has been truly commendable. So as we celebrate the achievements of our students today, let's also take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the unwavering dedication of leaders like him. Please join me in extending our heartfelt gratitude and a very warm welcome once again to Dr. Pathak. I'm equally pleased to take stock of our achievements and glories on this occasion in the form of school annual report. Our school has honed and fine-tuned a learning and value-based education system that has benchmarked by many schools in the city. Since its inception in 1985, the school has been marching ahead from strength to strength while catering to the needs of the society and students. This academic session has admirably been of great excellence. This year, in the 19th Asian Games, India has set a new benchmark with an unprecedented haul of 107 medals, including 28 golds and 38 silvers. Among the contributors to this victory was Bhavan's Vidya Ashram, where our alumni excelled. Manani Kaushik of batch 2018 made an unforgettable debut at the Asian Games, securing a silver medal for India in the women's 50-meter rifle shooting event. Surbhi Mishra, another esteemed alumna from the batch 2008, represented as a coach for the Indian squad, adding to our school's imprint on this grand sporting event. Continuing our legacy of nurturing champions, our budding sports stars showcased outstanding performance in 2023. Ace swimmer Krishnaditya Singh demonstrated his prowess in swimming by securing the 17th rank in the 37th National Games organized by the Indian Olympic Association and the 19th rank in the All India Senior National Swimming Championship organized by the Swimming Federation of India. Adding to our accolades, Hriday Bhojwani triumphed at the CBSE National Swimming Championship, clinching a bronze medal in the boys under 11 50-meter butterfly stroke event. The school team, comprising of Hriday Bhojwani, Paranjay Singh Chaudhary, David Sharma, Parin Sharma, and Medhansh Tyagi, showcased exceptional teamwork, earning the bronze medal in the 40 into 50 meters medley relay. Pariniti Singh Chaudhary and Anika Agarwal, 9th grader, showcased exceptional talent at the All India Junior National Swimming Championship, securing the 6th place among the country's top contenders. Their dedication and skill were further highlighted in the Junior State Swimming Championship organized by the Rajasthan Swimming Association. Pariniti Singh emerged as a standout performer with 8 gold medals and setting 8 new state records, a feat that demonstrates her exceptional prowess in the field. Anika Agarwal matched this remarkable achievement by securing 8 gold medals and setting 7 new state records. The school swimming team secured the prestigious Winners' Trophy across all categories in the 67th SGFI. That is the tournament organized by School Games Federation of India in State Swimming Championship. This stellar performance included an outstanding tally of 29 gold medals, 10 silver medals, and 3 bronze medals. Moreover, the exceptional talents of Krishnaditya Singh, Sahil Gupta, Pariniti Singh, Anika Agarwal, and Dakshina Joshi, a 7th grader, were duly recognized as they were hailed as the best swimmers of the State Swimming Championship. Our swimming coach, Shri Amrish Sharma, has been appointed by the Indian Olympic Association as a swimming coach for Rajasthan swimming team for National Games 2020. In the CBSE cluster, our school's table tennis team showcased their mettle, securing remarkable positions. The under-14 boys team soared to the top, claiming the coveted first place, while the under-17 boys team secured the second position. Individually, Tushar Ramchandani and Yash Joshi clinched a silver and a bronze medal respectively. At the SGFI state level tournament, the progress of our players shone brightly. Tushar Ramchandani and Samrit Bagda, representing Jaipur team, triumphed, earning gold medals. Tushar's consistency and excellence were further affirmed as he secured the second position thrice in the Rajasthan State Ranking Table Tennis Championship organized by the Table Tennis Association. Ashwin Chilla demonstrated remarkable talent, earning 6th place in the Waven Asian Junior Ranking Lawn Tennis Championship. Moreover, he triumphed in the ITA National Ranking Tournament C57 Under 16, showcasing his skill on the tennis court at national and international levels. Jhalani, a student of grade 12, received the 30th Mathura Das Mathur Award, recognizing him as the year's best sub-junior cricketer. In honor of his achievement, he was also awarded a cash prize of rupees 7,500. In the under-14 girls category, Tanishi Chaudhary's remarkable skill earned her a gold medal at the state level, leading to her selection for the national tournament in shooting. Soumya Jain excelled in chess, under 17 girls claiming gold at the district level and securing the 4th position at the state level tournament. In football, under 19 boys, Rudra Bora and Maulik Raj Sera secured bronze medal in the state tournament. Navya Arora showcased badminton prowess, securing a bronze medal in the under 17 girls at the state level. Just as our students displayed a strong hold over sports, their remarkable academic achievements echo their dedication in the realm of academics. Moving on to board results. In CBSE Class 12 board exams, Ananya Vyas, Telsia Neom, and Girshit Agarwal secured 95.4, 95 and 94.8% respectively in the science stream. The commerce stream showcased remarkable achievements. Parushi Kannawat led with 98.4%, followed by Nandini Jain and Vanshika Bansal at 97, while Ananya Goel secured the 3rd place with 96%. In the humanities stream, Dharvi Hada leads with an impressive 98.4. Khushi Joshi follows closely, securing the 2nd position with a notable 97.4, and Saransh Agarwal secured the 3rd position with 96.4%. Stepping into the domain of Standard 10, Adhya Gupta ascends as the top scorer with 99%. Akshita Bair and Nilansh Jain stand in unity at 2nd place with a stellar scores of 98%. Arshia Jain at the 3rd position with an illustrious 97.6%. Setting a remarkable standard, 24 students in class 10 scored a flawless 100% marks across different subjects, dominated by exceptional number of 100% scorers in artificial intelligence. 10 students in class 12 achieved perfection with 100% marks in subjects like economics, business studies, and psychology. The state talent search examination, organized annually, is a well-known state-level exam conducted by State Education Board with an aim to nurture academically talented students in the state. 11 meritorious students qualified this examination this time. Scholars embraced by prestigious academia continue to shine post-schooling as well. Ananya Vyas, Telsia Leon, Girshit Agarwal, Prashit Garg, and Paramjeet Singh Dular excelled in NEET 2023. Ananya Vyas is pursuing MBBS from SNS Medical College. Aditya Satavan at IIT BHU, Pinak Sharma at BITS Pilani, and Harshita Yadav at National Institute of Fashion Technology, Kangra, exemplified their accomplishments. Further, Jayesh Chaudhary at Dartmouth College, New Hampshire, on a 100% scholarship, and Sankit Dassault at RMIT Melbourne on a 30% scholarship, chart promising academic paths. Khushi Joshi, a student of humanities, scored 100 percentile in all 5 subjects in CUET 2023. At present, Khushi is pursuing psychology at V.D. Sri Ram College, University of Delhi. Anna Bhatnagar, Abhimanyu Singh, and Vithala Agarwal showcased merit in CLAT 2024, securing notable ranks for the prestigious National Law Schools of India. Their achievements stand as guiding lights for current students, illustrating the horizon of opportunities beyond our school seat. When students excel, how mentors can be left behind. Our faculty members have also been recognized for their outstanding contribution in the field of education by various bodies. Shri Atul Kulshrestha, Head of Mathematics Department, was honored by the Rotary Club on Teachers' Day, acknowledging his dedicated service to education. Dr. Alok Sharma's research paper has been accepted by the NCERT, which he presented in a national seminar held at NCERT Regional Institute of Education, Ajmer. Dr. Alok Sharma also belongs to the same department, mathematics. He received the Best Academician Award 2023 from Tech Skill Society. Srimati Shivani Bhatnagar received a certificate of appreciation from the Lions Club, recognizing her significant contribution as an eminent educator benefiting society. Shri Jitendra Kumar Sharma was awarded Dronacharya Samman 2023 by Dainik Bhaskar and Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur, for his exemplary contribution to education. Keeping in mind that every child is unique, marvel, and possesses an inherent potential, co-curricular activities and competitions are organized for ensuring the holistic development of students. So from the Department of Science and IT, Yashneel Rawat and Ashia Jain secured the first and third position respectively in a physics quiz organized by the Indian Association of Physics Teachers. Aditya Vardhan Roy and Manisha Banga secured fourth position. The project Numeric Pioneers in Rogue Nistarak and Medical Tourism, created by Reet Makhija and Gunash Jain, both 10 graders, and Kanishk Verma of Class A, made it to the top 1,000 in the Youth Ideathon. The school achieved the second runners-up position in a national level science quiz organized by JPHS. Nakshatra Garg, an 8th grader, clinched the third position in India in the Grandmaster category of the Mental Math World Cup 2023, organized by Live Math Competitions and League. Garvit Jain, a 9th grader, secured the first position in the slide sprint competition at Bhavan's Devang Mehta Memorial IT Symposium, New Delhi. So moving on to literary art and culture. St. Xavier's School organized the 24th Inter-School State Level Stamp Exhibition, School Picks 2023. The Philately Club students emerged triumphant and bagged the prestigious St. Xavier's Trophy for the best participating school. At the 15th Rajasthan State Level Philatelic Exhibition, Rajpix, the school received the silver medal. Dhruvi Sharma of Class 10 was honored with the Philately, Numismatics and Hobby Society Jaipur Trophy. And the same event, in the category of wall painting, the creative ensemble of our students clinched the first prize. Vidushi Tiwari of grade 5 painted a vibrant picture of Rajasthan's culture and secured the second position in the Rangilo Rajasthan Picture Postcard Design Competition. And both the winning drawings were released as picture postcards during the Rajpix Philately ceremony. Tanishka Srivastav of class 9 has brought immense pride by winning a gold medal in a special award at the ABSS UNESCO Awards 2023 in Bangkok, Thailand. This outstanding achievement took place during the 12th Cultural Olympiad of Performing Arts organized by Akhil Bharatiya Sanskriti Sangh. She has also been invited to give a dance performance in Paris. The National Cadet Corps Naval Wing, comprising both boys and girls, attended a highly successful camp under the guidance of their mentor, Shri Pradeep Rankar. The cadets' outstanding performance was evident, with Navya Arora securing first position and Arshi Verma standing second as overall best cadets. Additionally, Durgesh Verma clinched the first position in physical fitness, with Saisha Ladhani securing the second place. The felicitation of these dedicated cadets by Major General Alok Raj on Independence Day highlights the significance of NCC instilling discipline, leadership, and patriotism in our students. The Cambridge Court MUN was a testament to our students' exceptional communication skills and profound knowledge. Our delegation of 8 students left an indelible mark, earning remarkable accolades, including the Best Delegate Award, High Commendation, and Special Mention. Additionally, a national debate organized by Birla Public School, our school's team represented by Yasho Vigra Rathod, Diva Maheshwari and Yuvan Bhatia from class 11 secured the second position. In Intech Heritage Quiz, Aryan Saxena and Advik Agarwal of class 10 stood first in the district round. We are proud. We are proud of our students who excelled in multiple inter-school competitions across Jaipur, showcasing their talents and bringing back numerous awards and honors. The list is long. We keep on sharing through our newsletter, and the complete report regarding these winners will be shared subsequently. Let's have a glimpse of other highlights of the school. The grandeur of sportsmanship came alive at Dr. K.M. Munshi Memorial Inter-School Sports Tournament hosted by our school. Over 1,000 students from 25 esteemed schools converged to participate in football, table tennis, swimming, and athletic events. Amidst this spirited contest, Vidya Ashram seized the championship trophy. Abudya, BVB Conclave 2023, an array of inter-school competitions spanning music, dance, art, news panel, IPL auction, quiz, and mock trial showcased the diverse talents and passions of our students, creating an unforgettable experience filled with innovation and excellence. Over 250 participants from 22 schools participated in this two-day event. In high school, career guidance is essential for students to chart their career path. Our students received invaluable insights from successful professionals, esteemed alumni, and career counselors who were invited to share their experiences and offer guidance. Also, a career fair was organized that saw the active participation of representatives from 30 renowned national and international universities. Aligning our education practices with the new education policy is our commitment to provide each child with an enriching learning journey. Our special assemblies for each primary grade offer every child a chance to showcase his or her talents on stage. Additionally, our Each Child One Game sports program in grades 3 to 9 enables students to explore and learn their desired sports. The primary and middle school children have embraced experiential and interdisciplinary learning, delving into projects such as education through monuments and project-based learning. These initiatives foster a deeper understanding of knowledge and encourage holistic learning experiences. With unwavering support from parents and our dedicated staff, the school is committed to nurture the best in each child. Once again, I extend heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Pathak, for your gracious presence. Our revered chairman, sir, for always showing the path of righteousness to the Vidyashram family and to all the members of management. Sincere appreciation goes to every staff member for their wholehearted dedication and shaping the soul of the Vidyashram. I wish you all a very joyous 2024. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. For the presidential address, we now invite Member Advisory Board, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Jaipur Kendra, Shri Rajendra Bhanawat sir, to inspire us with his insightful words.
Chief guest of today's function, my friend, younger brother, Dr. K.K. Pathak, Advisory Board's members, Honorary Director, Shri R.C. Jain sir, Principal of the other school, Pratapnagar, teachers, parents, and children. We always have in all functions the chief guests. But today it is very rare that we have a chief guest who is not only an IAS officer, but is a very knowledgeable, learned person. It is very rare that we have a chance to hear from such persons. So I will like you to listen to him when he speaks, and then you would know what I am saying. Congratulations to all the children who have brought laurels and brought good name to their families, to themselves, and made us all proud. May you all continue to succeed in whatever you do in life. Those who did not win awards or accolades does not mean that they do not have talent. Each one, it is my understanding, my feeling, that each person born on this planet has a unique personality, unique talent. It is for us, the parents, the teachers, and everyone else, to bring out the best in the child and nurture it so that one can develop into a good human being and also contribute to himself, the family, and the nation. We have this annual function every year, so we have this year also. And parents are all here, so you will all be keen to watch or witness the performance by your children on the stage. And you have seen from the first one or two programs how much preparation has gone into bringing this performance to you. On this occasion, I welcome the chief guest, all of you here in this function. And since we are towards the end of this year, 2023. So, and the new year is about to come. I take this opportunity to wish you all an extremely happy 2024. May all the children, their parents, and the families, and the entire nation become much better than what it was in 2023, and we can have a good life for ourselves. Now, I think the program is about to start. You will have first Okay, so without taking much of your time, I wish you once again all the best and the best wishes to the children who are going to perform here. Thank you so much. I can only mention one thing here. For Dr. Pathak, who has been Director of Education also in Rajasthan, that the schools have the responsibility of developing the children into academics. But as you would have seen from the report, that it is more important to have an overall development of the child. In the present world, academics is an important part, but it is not the only thing in life. There are many other things. You must have seen the sports, the cultural activities, the social service, the creative talent, writing, and all these things. So therefore, each child has a chance to develop into whatever field he or she wants to. And I think the talent is, you will see the cultural talent now on the stage here. Thank you so much. All the best.
We request our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Krishna Kant Pathak sir, Shri Rajendra Bhanavat sir, Director sir, and Ma'am Principal to do the honors for the prize distribution.
We proudly honor our outstanding students for their achievements in Class 12 Board Examination 2022-23.
To begin with the position holders. From the science stream we have Ananya Vyas, who has excelled in a stream with the highest percent of 95.4 as well as secured a wonderful 98 in physics. Coming up next is Telsia New with 95%, who has achieved second position and receives an award for a remarkable 97 in chemistry. The third position is backed by Girikshit Agarwal with 94.8%, who has scored a stunning 97 in physical education.
Moving on to the commerce stream, the top notcher is Parushi Karnawat with 98.4%, scoring a fantastic 100 in business studies and psychology with an impressive 98 in English score. Second position is backed by Nandini Jain with 97%, who scored an incredible 100 in economics, followed by 98 in accountancy, and a stellar 94, which is the highest in applied mathematics. Her parents will be receiving the award on her behalf.
हेलो क्या लगता है किसी देर लगेगा तो आराम से आ जाते हैं
And her co-recipient bagging second position is Vanshika Bansal with 97%, who also secured an absolute score of 100 in psychology. On the third position is Ananya Goel with 96%, scoring an excellent 98 in accountancy and a prominent 96 in mathematics. Her grandparents are here to receive the award for her.
Now from the humanities stream, we have Dharvi Hara with 98.4% coming on top with a flawless 100 in psychology, a fabulous 99 in history and 98 in English code.
हाँ वही खाली आगे भी चले जाओ आप आगे भी खाली आगे भी
The second position is backed by Khushi Joshi with 97.4%. She also receives an award for scoring a stunning 100 in psychology, 99 in history and an outstanding 99 in political science. Her parents are here today to receive the award for her. Claiming the third position, we have Saransh Agarwal with 96.4%, who is also being appreciated for a wonderful 99 in history. His parents are here to receive the award for him.
Stand out in a world of learners. Education is your spotlight. To honor the passion and commitment of students and their noteworthy performance in their respective subjects, we have the next category of awards for those who secured the highest marks in different subjects in Standard 12. First in line is Tanisha Daga, who has secured a perfect 100 in psychology and 98 in English code. Her grandparents are here to receive the award on her behalf. Followed by Soumya Mishra for scoring 98 in English code. Next we have Ahana Bach for an astounding 98 in biology.
Continuing the queue with Priyal Chamaria, who scored an amazing 97 in physical education. Next is Samaksh Arora, who also attained a brilliant 97 in physical education. His parents will be receiving the award in his place. stupendous score of 98 in accountancy, we have Mehul Agarwal. Coming up after him is Darshita Khandelwal for scoring 98 in accountancy. Her mother is here to receive the award for her. With an impressive score of 98 in informatics practices, we have Yash Jain.
छोटे बच्चे विद्यार्थी के वो साइड में बिठा दो उनको जगह दे दो पेरेंट्स को छोटे बच्चे हैं क्या मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ
He is followed by Dhanasri Malpani, securing the highest marks with 99 in home science.
अपने ग्रांड पेरेंट्स को जगह दीजिए हाँ जो छोटे बच्चे हैं
Coming up next with the striking 100 in business studies is Yuvraj Agarwal.
Continuing the queue with Paridhi Sharma for securing 100 in business studies. With an impeccable 100 in psychology, we have Sanvi Bansal. Her mother will receive the award on her behalf.
Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. To commence with, we have Shri Pranlal Devkaran Nanji Award, which is instituted by the Bhavans. It is awarded for excellence in harmonious behavior, bestowed upon a student for portrayal of exemplary rectitude, understanding, and good conduct. The honor of this award goes to Reet Makhija of class 10th. She receives a check worth rupees 1,100.
Character is the real foundation of all worthwhile success. Portraying the same is the C. Subramaniam Award for Excellence in Character. It is instituted by the Bhavans. Each award carries a check worth rupees 500, a certificate and a medallion. The award goes to Nehal Grover from 8th standard. From the 10th standard, we have Arjun Saxena. And from the 12th standard, the award is backed by Yashnil Rawat.
When you educate a man, you educate an individual. But when you educate a girl, you educate a nation. If a girl gets the right circumstances and environment, She can conquer the world. With this, we now present the Srimati Uchap Bhandari Scholarship given to the girl student for securing highest marks in grade 8. The recipient is Mishti Jain. She receives a check worth rupees 9,000.
In the loving memory of our beloved Hindi teacher, late Srimati Sheila Majur, a memorial trophy was instituted and is awarded to the student who secures the highest marks in Hindi in 10th standard. The honor goes to Pragya Gupta.
Coming up next is the Justice B.P. Bedi Award, bestowed upon the student securing first position with Commerce Mathematics combination. This year, the award goes to Shreyas Lakhara. He also receives a check worth rupees 10,000.
Next in line is the Srimati Satyabhama Berry Award presented to a girl student of Standard 12 for extraordinary excellence in academics and co-curricular activities. And the honor is presented to Monisha Bangar. She receives a check worth rupees 7,500.
Perfection has to do with the end product, but excellence has to do with the process. For an impeccable performance in academics in Standard 12, we have the most prestigious honor of the evening, the Scholar Blazer. Donning the blazer from the science stream, we call upon the stage Yashneel Rawat, who also receives an award for academic excellence in class 11. From the commerce stream, we have two recipients. We invite Shreyas Lakhara, who also receives an award for academic excellence in class 11. His mother is also here today to accompany him. And we have Adishri Jain also for the Scholar Blazer. Her parents are accompanying her. From the humanities stream, we invite Shreya Srivastav, who also receives an award for academic excellence in class 11. The WOSA award was introduced introduced in 2018-19 by Chamaria Foundation Society. We extend a warm welcome to Shri Manish Chamaria and Shri Pranesh Shara. We invite Shri Manish Chamaria from Chamaria Foundation Society and President of BOSA, Shri Pranesh Shara, to do the honors. This award is bestowed upon the student who is versatile and socially active. This year, the honor of being the BOSA Girl of the Year goes to Arna Bhatnagar of 12th E. And the BOSA Boy of the Year goes to Pranav Maheshwari of 12th D. They both receive a check worth rupees 5,100 each. Next in line is the award for ethical leadership, navigating with integrity. This award is presented to a student who exemplifies unwavering integrity, empathy, and commitment to conscientious judgment. The recipient of this award is Aryaman Singhi. A huge round of applause for our deputy head boy, please.
Next, we have the most coveted Principal's Cup for the best school leader who has been completely selfless and devoted to our institution. It is presented to a student who excels in academics, behavior, and is highly disciplined. The recipient of the captivating Principal's Cup is the joint sports captain of this session, Parv Chalani. Ambition is the path to success, and persistence is the vehicle in which you arrive. Moving on to the highest honor of the day, Shri Rajmal Surana Award, instituted in the fond memory of late Shri Rajmal Surana, conferred on a student of class 12 for excellence in academics, co-curricular activities, and exhibition of harmonious behavior. The award is backed by Aditya Vardhan Roy. He receives a check worth rupees 5,000.
Please continue your applause for our head boy, Aditya Vardhan Roy.